Guys, this is Grumele Fortress. Ancient time from the Roman Empire, Roman period. Very old fortress. Very nice. Very old fortress. Roman Empire time. Roman period. Grumele Fortress. Now, a tourist attraction here in Turkey.